The Press Club had released the list of achievers of Award of Excellence in Journalism to acknowledge dedication and fortitude to unbiased and truthful reporting. Likewise, Longsodar Ingti, staff reporter of Karbi Anglong Live, was also selected and would be honored at Dipu on the occasion of National Press Day. Longsodar Ingti is a resident of Wopong Teron village, Chokihola, son of Rajan Ingti and Moriam Tisopi. He joined the reputed news channel of Karbi Anglong, known as Karbi Anglong Live, on 9 July 2021 as a staff reporter of Dipu. Longsodar Ingti is a fully determined and down-to-earth individual being selected as the achiever of Award of Excellence in Journalism from Dipu Press Club had proven his work towards his profession. Under the supervision, scrutiny and deep analysis from Borsing Rongpar and Joy Singh Tokbi, Dipu Press Club had decided to confer Award of Excellence to the following journalists from Dipu: Humson Hanse of Dipu Voice, Lobson Terang of Karbi Anglong Today, Mukesh Chauhan of Dipu Voice, Longsodar Ingti Kathar of Karbi Anglong Live, Surajit Shetty of Kido Live, Ganeswar Timung of Kido Live, and Babu Singh Ramsa of News Fast for their unbiased and truthful reporting on 16 November on the occasion of National Press Day. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.